Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about ribs. I prefer dry rub ribs. I do not like barbecue sauce. I like a little barbecue sauce, but not a lot. So with cooking dinner with my mom and she likes barbecue sauce, so she cooked her ribs with barbecue sauce. Me, I made of course, herbs. I love herbs, using fresh herbs and olive oil. And I made a marinade with parsley, cilantro, rosemary, garlic, and a little bit of jalapeno. And I let the ribs marinate in that for a few hours prior to cooking. And I also used this mixture to baste. We also had shrimp, so I made a marinade of mint, dill, and garlic with some olive oil. Mix that around in the food processor, and made not very oily, but similar to the ribs, just enough that you can, as sort of like a paste that you can use to brush across the shrimp and the other marinade, brush across your ribs while they're cooking. And just that. So once everything's blended, add a little bit of lemon juice at the end, and then you're just gonna give it one more blitz. And once it's finished, coat your shrimp, stir it around, and let them marinate. Cover and let them marinate for a few hours. And don't forget to salt and pepper your marinade. So after your shrimp marinate for a few hours or overnight, skewer them to get them ready for the grill. I used a metal skewer. And there we have our ribs, we have our shrimp, all nicely marinated and prepared, grilled on the grill, and here's the results. So I know skipping the barbecue sauce is not the traditional way of cooking ribs, but like I said, I don't like barbecue sauce. But I think even if you use barbecue sauce, this is a good way to add a little flavor. I'm also going to do something for Taco Tuesday, and I hope you like it. It's basically what you can do with your ribs as leftovers the next day, making tacos. Thank you, and hope you liked. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Take care.